Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that click to the volume section and then you'll see here notifications volume panel, and just to mute your device notifications you should hold and swipe to the left side. There's dot, and that's it. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your phone, then click here on these three dots to open full volume panels section, and here just to mute notifications swipe to the down this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.